Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can advertise on Google Maps, so let's get right into it. Now, Google Maps does not have ads built into it by itself. The web version and the mobile version have no ads to speak of, so advertising on Google Maps is done in a completely different manner, and pretty much the only manner in which you can do it is to add your own business to the map. So for example, as you can see, I have a map of Manhattan pulled up, and for example, let's take some random address. So for example, East 82nd, and let's right click here, and then we can click add your business. Now as you can see, it'll open up the Google Business Center. I don't have any businesses, so I would have to create one, which I'm not gonna do since I don't own one. But yeah, you can just create your business, enter it here, and it'll be on the map where you set it to be. Now, what information can you put in? You can put in a couple of different things. So for example, if I select this business, as you'll see, they have working hours, their specific address, their menu, their website URL, their phone number, etc., etc. And they might also, depending on the business, for example, if it's a restaurant, they might have a menu which you can view from here. You can also see the reviews over here. So pretty much one of the best methods of advertising yourself is getting good reviews, and pretty much all the about section can also promote your business. For example, if you're accessible to disabled people, if you have certain service options that fit people, for example, for payments, even credit cards, debit cards, cash, or NFC mobile payments, etc., etc. But yeah, that's pretty much the only way that you can advertise your business on Google Maps. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.